So how to sue a cruise line if you feel like you have a claim against a cruise line, you got seriously injured on a cruise, on an excursion, by the medical care on the ship, sexually assaulted, raped, whatever happens, because unfortunately these things do happen. First of all, of course, I'm assuming the question has to do with what do I do in regard to my claim? If that's the question, you got to find a specialist, a lawyer who really does specialize in this, who knows the maritime law, who knows the cruise industry, and because most of the cruise lines require federal court, who knows federal court, that you should dabble in as a lawyer. It's something you either specialize in or you don't. And I would say to the consumer, to people out there who have been seriously injured on a cruise ship, find a specialist. A lawyer specializes in this. Now, if the question is, what do I do to document the fact that I was injured and what steps can I take? Here they are. Number one, take photos. You know, a picture is worth 1,000 words. There's a reason why that's an expression. It really is true. You can say that the step was too high or that there's water on the floor and the water was all over the floor. But a photograph showing the water, a photograph showing this ledge that was you tripped over, or you have somebody go back and take the photo, and things change, and people deny that it ever happened. And the cruise lines are not required to give you the video of the area. I don't care if there's a camera mounted in the ceiling. They're not required to give that to you until and unless you file a lawsuit. So don't count on that, and don't count on the safety officer who comes to the scene and takes photographs. They are never required, with some exceptions, they're never required to give you those photographs. Don't count on them. You take your own, or have somebody in your friends or family take those photographs and you secure them. And if you want to take the photographs of the housing of the cameras in the ceiling that you see, take those. And I would say take photographs close up, take photographs far away. I call the far away photographs perspective shots. It shows you where the wet floor, it's right next to the elevator, so show the elevator and the floor, but also show the close up, showing the shiny water if the camera gets, at floor level, get at floor level, and also stand up for a perspective of where you were looking at this area. So, look, it doesn't cost any money anymore to take a bunch of photos. So think about that. Take different photos from different perspectives.